Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com, making this video about the video I made yesterday or day before yesterday. It is right here. Let me show you where it is. This is the one. Okay, yeah, this is the one, and this is the video. The topic was how to make precise entries using 33 and 7 brick charts, my 33 and 7 minute charts, right? The combination. So I made this video and I showed you how to do it, and then I said that I'm gonna make another EA according to the new rule, and not the new rule, but just adding a new filter for the newbies, newcomers, right? That would be a very good one, and then I'll take some trades and show you later on. So here I am, and this is what we have now. So I did that, and yesterday was well, yesterday and today was, the market is very choppy, but still what I have done with that new filter, and then this my magic IP system is this. This is the trade pound Aussie, but it's from 20 minute, and the entry was on Friday, last Friday, so this doesn't count, right? So but this week I closed it on Sunday when the market reopened, and then it dropped here a little bit, and I closed it at that level, 88.61. But besides this one, so this was on the 13th, yesterday, right? Pound CAD, and when I was doing the last webinar or maybe the video, and this was right there, so I said it's a good entry, and then I'm going to take it. So I took it, and this is what happened here. Small trade, but something. I just want to show you that these setup works very well. When the market doesn't move much, then you don't have big trades. When the market moves big, we have a big trade, right? So now the next one is on the 14th, the game started. This is Euro CAD. Now you notice that we were bearish here below the red line, and then I'm not going to show the 33 minute chart. You know it already what it is. So what the 33 reversal happened here, the price goes up. I took this one, got knocked out at break even, and then took this one, and then it goes away. So that happens a lot of times, but it doesn't really matter. Even if not at break even, sometimes it just go up here, and then I move my SL to 5 pip, 6 pip risk, and it comes down and then take me out for 6 pip, 5 pip loss. It doesn't mean anything. Then if you are right, you can make a lot more than that. And after that, this is on the 14th. This pound newsy, it's yellow above the black, yellow above the red. Beautiful trade, entry and trade all the way, right? And then you see some of them like this one, yellow just came down below the black, but it's still above the red. So, and I knew that this thing is gonna, all the other analysis and everything is gonna go up, and it did, right? Nice and clean. My buy over here. And the next one is pound Aussie. You can see this one also. It's yellow is above the black, just below the black, but it's okay. And then they're both black and yellow are above the red line. If we were bearish here, then became bullish here, and then boom, right, goes all the way. Pound Aussie, and then you have pound yen. Again, this was bullish, then became bearish, and then boom, gone here. To the upside, and then and I'm posting all of these on my Telegram channel, by the way. If you look at here, you see this EA33 long in place, and this is what it is. Aussie 7 red cross, GJ 7 minute long, that was this one, right? And GA 7 minute red cross, I showed you the GA already. We went up. So this is my Telegram channel. I'm keep sending GJ7 long. Oh, this is the one, basically this one, and that was the, before that. So and it went up nicely, right? And then this is my USD index chart that is gonna drop, and so it's a big help. Anyway, so this was pound yen 7 minute, went up nice and clean. Couple of them I took like with my old habit like this one, USD franc, but I was expecting, I told you guys that USD probably gonna get weaker, and this USD CAD, USD franc will drop. They didn't, but just this one didn't, and I took it, even if you were a little bit above the red line, right? So I took it anyway. my old habits, right? And the pound USD, this is again my old style, right? Below the red line, I took it anyway. The reason for that was this chart, because I knew that it's gonna bounce. At least, it bounced a little bit from here. So we had this pattern here, pound USD 33-minute chart got laid in place. I posted this chart on the Telegram as well. So 78.6 area bounce, 29.56 bounce here. So I said if it's gonna go bounce a little bit, maybe, right? So at least that little bit will give me something, and it did. It went up, and then again it is still bullish right now, and the price and then this thing is going above, and maybe tonight we're gonna get another long setup and long trade on this one as well. And then if my pattern is right, then we have to go a long way to the upside, right? And then here Aussie Newsy, right? Again, this is also by the book with the new filter, and you can see here the reversal candle from here to here, and then after that the price became just bullish here, and then this is the first entry, I would say, the second entry maybe, right? What was up? All right, what happened? Yeah. Okay, right, and then you can see this was a third entry, but I was in here already, so just keep going to the upside. So these are the so many trades already, even though the market is chopping. But this system, it's like if you follow this 33-minute chart, and then right after the reversal, you watch the 7-minute chart. It goes the other side of the red line, give you the setup, take it, and then all of these pairs are at least like 30-40 pip each, right? Not big one. But because of the market, it's not moving. Just since in the last 2 days, it didn't move much, right? When the market opened up, yeah, all pound pair dropped, and I missed that because I didn't know what's happening. Over the weekend, something happened, and then that happened. So I do not move, get in when at the time of the news, right? Because you don't know what's happening, what kind of news coming in, how people are gonna read, and this and that. And any chaotic move, I stay away. Let it happen. Let it happen. Even 500-600 pip drop, going up and down, I don't want to be a part of it. I want to take my setup. That's it. It's smooth moving, nice and clean, and then slow motion, whatever. But then nice setup, and then it goes in my favor. 60, 70, 80, 100 pip, nice and clean. Those are the trades for me. So this is how it worked very, very well, the way I showed you in the last, like in this video. Remember this video I made, on the 11th, January 11th, right? So a couple of days ago, over the weekend basically, right? And I showed you that this is how to do it, and this is how I'm adding this filter, and then I'm gonna take the trades according to that, and I just showed you all of those trades according to that. And by the way, the yen index, yen pairs, they went up, all of them, because of this chart I made on 8th January, that this is gonna, we're gonna be going to the upside. These are the target here, 54.52 and 54.73, and so far we are here, but even above this a little bit. We are very close to 54.43, and might go to the upside, continue. I'm watching all of these yen pairs on this. They are already bouncing. So I'm gonna go and then try to make some entries. Okay, on these yen pairs, I had a couple of nice yen trades already, and maybe more to come tonight, right? And Kuruda, by the way, 7:30. 7:30 says 7:43 already. So you're probably talking right now, right? The guy from Japan, Kuruda, is talking right now, and it can move these yen pairs, right? So let's get on to it. And this is how, like I said, this is how the system is. And then if you're interested, you want to be a part of it and learn, get the system and learn it, go on my website and subscribe and start trading like this. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the trading week.